Lorenzo purchased a box of cereal and some strawberries at a grocery store. Lorenzo paid $2 for the box of cereal and $1.9 per pound for the strawberries. If Lorenzo paid a total of $9.6 for the box of cereal and the strawberries, which of the following equations can be used to find P, the number of pounds of strawberries Lorenzo purchased? So Lorenzo paid $2 for a box of cereal, and then he spent some money on strawberries. So we'll say he spent X amount on strawberries. And the total cost of those two added together is $9.6. So what we need to do is find an expression that can represent X. So we know that he purchased P pounds of strawberries. So P here represents how many pounds he purchased. And each pound is $1.9. So if we multiply P with 1.9, that will give us the total cost of buying strawberries. So if we plug this into our original equation, we'll have $2 plus 1.9p. So this is the cost of this box of cereal, and this is the cost of p pounds of strawberries, should equal the total cost, which is $9.6. So this is an equation that represents Lorenzo's situation. And we can solve this to find the value of p. Since we have one equation and one unknown, we can just manipulate the equation to isolate for p. And this equation here is identical to equation A.